Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Google account on the laptop and mobile device, and install Google Drive for Desktop on the laptop. Once installed, open Drive for Desktop and choose the option to sync Google Photos to a folder on your PC. This creates a local Photos folder that mirrors your cloud library. Make sure you have enough disk space and a stable network connection, because sync starts immediately and can use significant bandwidth when copying high-resolution images. Next, configure the detailed sync options so your library behaves the way you expect. In Drive for Desktop Preferences, choose whether to sync all photos or only specific albums and set upload quality. Original preserves resolution, Storage Saver saves space. Then select Sync Direction. Streaming keeps files online until requested, mirroring keeps local copies, and upload only sends new items from your laptop. These choices control disk usage and backup behavior, so adjust them to balance local storage versus. To finish, verify sync by comparing the local Photos folder to Google Photos in a browser. New images should appear both places. If files stall, pause and restart Drive for Desktop, or sign out and back in to refresh tokens. Make sure you haven't exceeded Google storage quota and that problematic files aren't unsupported formats. If syncing still fails, clear Drive cache and reselect the folders. This often resolves index conflicts. With these steps, you'll complete a reliable two-way sync between Google Photos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.